Good day, sir. Here's my PLC programming in advanced challenge for certain defective part. So this is my ladder diagram, and in this section is the operation panel. So we have the lamp display and the operation switches where we will use PB1 and SW1 for this program. In this area naman po, dito natin makikita yung process kung paano gumana yung program na ginawa natin for the sorting defective parts. So we have different condition for this program, and the first condition is the overall control. When PB1 is pressed, supply command will turn on, and PB1, and if we release PB1, the copper supply will turn off. Then when we turn on the switch one, the operation panel or the conveyor moves forward. And for other condition, to control of drill, once when the sensor for part under drill or X1 and the drill is turned on, the conveyor stops. When the start drilling Y2 is turned on, the drilling starts, and start drilling is turned off when drilling is set on. So in this part po, makikita po natin kung paano po i-sort yung defective sa fine na parts dito sa program na. So ito po yung nangyayari. So when we push the PB1, din po natin switch. So yung okay po na part pupunta din sa next. So ito pong defective ay dito pupunta sa conveyor. So that's okay.